Hello students, hope you are doing good. So in this lecture, we will be focusing the Java database drivers and its types. So this is a very important topic as now we are more focused on the database part of this Java. So basically, first of all, we have to understand that what is JDBC. So when you will be developing the programs, so you will come across this term, okay, that is JDBC. So it is a Java API. Okay, it is an application programming interface that is a collection of interface classes, subclasses that are used by the Java application to connect to the database so that the Java application program can query to the database. Query means to ask some questions to the database. Okay, so questions can be okay in terms of if the application programs wants to retrieve a particular information from the database, then this particular query will be written inside this Java application program, and with the help of this Java API the communication will be okay, the medium will be established. So this JDBC API uses, okay, it internally uses JDBC driver. So Java database connectivity drivers, okay, are used to communicate with the database. So internally this API, this application programming interface uses the driver, and this driver is known as the JDBC driver. So this driver acts as a translator for the Java application and the database. So this driver is now acting as a translator or a medium so that the Java specific calls, the Java application specific calls can be okay, can be understandable by the database, and the response that the database will give to the Java application, okay, can be decoded by this Java application program with the help of this translator. So translator is something that translates okay, some particular thing to the database, and from the database the information that is being fetched, it is being okay, it is being given to the Java application in its format. So it is a medium. JDBC application programming interface uses internally the database drivers to communicate, to establish a link between the application program and the database. So in this way database connectivity is established with the help of database drivers. So in this figure, okay, there is a Java application. This is in some application program, and if this application program wants to communicate with the database, if this application program wants to query to the database for some information, then this query will be handled by the database with the help of this driver that acts as a translator. So this Java application, okay, this request will be given to the driver, and this driver will then transforms this request to the database so that the database can understand this request. And in the same manner, when this database will respond to the Java application, so this driver will again translate this particular response to the Java application so that it is understandable by this particular application. So it is a medium, driver is a medium. It is basically a link between the Java application program and the database. Database can be anything, okay, it can be MS Access, it can be MySQL, it can be Oracle, it can be DB2, okay, it can be anything. So based on the functionality, there are basically four types of drivers available. Okay, so it can be type 1 driver, type 2 driver, type 3 driver, and type 4 driver. There are four types of JDBC drivers. Okay, so our main area of concern is type 4 driver. Okay, type 4 driver we will be focusing because we are using type 4 drivers nowadays. Okay, so type 1 driver is also known as a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Okay, and it can be also given a name that is simply a bridge driver. So it has three names. Okay, you can call it as a type 1 driver or JDBC ODBC bridge driver or simply a bridge driver. Okay, type 2 driver is known as a native API driver or partly Java driver. Type 3 driver is a network protocol driver or a middleware driver. Okay, so internally a middleware server is used in this type 3 driver, so that's why it's known as a middleware driver. And the last type of driver that is of our concern is type 4 driver or pure Java driver. Pure Java driver means it is fully written in Java. Okay, all the APIs are completely written in Java. It means it is platform independent, it is portable. Okay, it is more secure. It is also known as native protocol driver and it is also known as a thin driver. Okay, so prior to this, okay, when the JDBC drivers were not there, the connectivity was we can connect to the database, okay, with the help of a concept that is known as an ODBC API concept. Okay, but the main disadvantage of ODBC API was that the ODBC APIs were written in a C language. Okay, and as you all know that C language is platform dependent. Okay, so it is a very much, okay, it is like that if it is platform independent, that it is, then it is not secure. Okay, the security is of prime concern, and if we are going through platform dependent criteria, then we are completely dependent on the particular operating system. Okay, on the operating system calls. Okay, so if we are completely dependent on the operating system and with the hardware, then it is very much easy for the intruder, okay, to access this particular hardware with certain, okay, with certain code or with certain programming language and manipulate the things. Okay, because platform dependent type of things can easily be manipulated by the intruders. So to overcome this, okay, Java introduced a new concept that was JDBC driver concept, and in which there are 4 types of drivers introduced. Okay, to overcome the problem of that ODBC APIs. Okay, so the Java APIs, okay, the Java driver APIs are completely written in Java. So type 4 driver that we'll be focusing, that is of our prime importance, it is a pure Java driver that is completely written in Java. It means it is completely secure. Okay, it is completely secure, it is platform independent. Okay, and it is a thin driver. So when we'll just, okay, go into the programming type of thing, then we'll see that how to connect, okay, this particular driver, how the connectivity will be there. Okay, and in the subsequent lectures we'll just see in detail these 4 types of drivers. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind that driver is a concept that is used to connect the Java API application to the particular database. Okay, it is a translator, it is a medium, okay, that translates a particular system call from the Java application to the database so that the database can understand, and vice versa. Okay, so in the next subsequent lectures we'll just, okay, take all these drivers, okay, one at a time and understand, okay, the analysis behind these drivers. Thanks.